transactions. So bank reconciliation and some other activities there. Then you can see the report center. Under report center, you can see the all reports include with this system. Account related reports under company financial, P&L, balance sheets. Then you can see the vendor related reports, customer related reports, sales, purchases, inventory, like this all reports you can see through the system. Right, I just give you the brief explanation about our system and which include with this system. Right, it's a brief introduction, but if you need any additional information regarding this system, we can go through each and every functions and we can show you.
It will be good by each and everyone.
Yeah. Okay. So based on your requirements, now you can discuss with us and then we can show you for your requirements. So you can use these functions and you can go ahead. Right.
Okay.
Right. Do you have any idea from your end, or you need some special things? Then I can show you that information.
Yesterday's demo, I am okay with 90%. Okay. So
okay.
In that, I told him that for the product equation, there's I think like putting the POs or product requisition.
Yes, purchase requisition.
Purchase requisition. So
Yeah,
in
right.
that, while doing the purchasing, so is it possible to send a text message to a supplier or anyone?
Yes, it's possible.
Okay.
So once you raise the purchase requisition or purchase order, especially once you raise the purchase order, at the same time you can send, once you approve the purchase order, at the same time we can send SMS to your supplier.
Okay, right. Okay. So it goes through the purchase order, right? The SMS, not the purchase requisition.
Yeah, purchase requisition, anything we can discuss, and if you request, you want to create, you want to send SMS with purchase requisition, no issues. We can send with the purchase requisition. Yes.
All right. Okay. So we can do that adjustment, right?
Yes.
Okay. And for that, you need a number, right? SIM number.
Yes, because the email gateway, you have to get the email gateway from the Dialog, Mobitel, or Airtel, or whatever the communication company. You have to take it. Then using that, we can send the SMS.
Right. Okay. So can you give up like from A to Z briefly, like costing and those parts, supplier creations, site changing, transfers?
Yes. Right. Which one you need to know now?
The site, like we will be having like 2 warehouse. So how can we transfer the goods?
Okay. If we have 2 locations, you can go to inventory center, and on inventory center you can see the stock transfer.
Okay.
Then you can click on this inventory transfer. Then you can select the from site and to site.
Okay.
Right. Then you can select item. What are the items you are transferring, and quantities. This is the form you can use to stock transfer.
Okay.
Is it okay, or you need any information regarding this?
Which one? The transfer thing?
Yes, stock transfers. This option we can use to transfer stocks.
All right. Okay. So from this, we can from site from where to site. Right. Okay. And another thing about the manufacturing, we need the costing part.
Okay. Right. Yes, no problem. So you tell me what are the items you are producing?
Like we'll be using, like for the factory, we'll be using about 10 raw materials.
Mm-hmm.
So like we'll be calculating it from another software. We have a formulation software.
Okay.
So we are doing a feed mill now. So we'll be having a separate software called formulation software. From there only we'll be seeing the costing, the values, like formulation values for the feed, how many kgs we are going to mix. So we'll be doing it for 100 kg.
Mm-hmm.
And we have to
Okay.
bring it in that to system, and we have to calculate the cost for per kg, how much is it costing for us.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Go to production sheet. Right. On this, you can see input items here. On raw
Okay.
material side, you can see the items, right? So what are the items? So with that formulations, we can formulate that. So
Okay.
once you formulate, you can select the input items here from input side, and output side, you can select the finished good.
Okay. So
Right? So we can automate it, right? So
it's fully
as per
automatic.
your formula, yes, you can tell us formula, which formula you need. That based on formula, we will make changes to the system. So once we make the changes on system, once you select the item, automatically input and output items will comes to here. Nothing to select manually. Now here
Okay.
we have to select. We did not program it up to
Okay.
now.
Okay.
Right? I'll
So
show you some example. So
okay.
you can see, right? So, so you can see, select, Tarindu, you can select the bomb item from here. So once you select the bomb item, so you can see it's not really formulated.
Okay. And we have an issue because every day our formulation will be changing due to the market price.
Yeah, no problem. So at any time you can change as per your requirements.
Okay.
So
So
once you
we have
select
like
the item,
finished product.
automatic.
We have finished
Yeah.
product like 8 categories of finished products.
Yes.
So those
We,
products
we, we
every
will
day.
show you. Yeah, we will show you. Go to master files and bomb item. We can go to master file. Then under master files, you can see bomb item. Then you can create new bomb item, or you can change the item. We can select the item. Then we can select what are the input items and what are the output items.
All right. Okay. Okay.
Right? And now here we are not formulate,
Okay.
but as per your formulations, we can make the formulation. Then you can select the formula, which one from which ratio.
Right. Okay. Quantity. So the quantity it will be coming for like we need in kgs, right?
Yes, it's a unit you can select.
Okay. Right. Okay. So we have to create in the group, and after that we have to translate.
Yes.
Okay. And so it will automatically calculate the finished goods, how much we are going to produce today, right?
Sorry.
So like, see whether in like, for example, we are doing the cattle feed production today. So we have
Uh-huh.
done, so we will put the costing part in the system. and we will like
Uh-huh.
finish goods. So for the like in the factory today, the production has gone for like 1,000 bags of cattle feed, 50 kg.
Okay.
So if you enter the 1,000 bags, it automatically the system
Mhm.
will deduct the stock
Yes.
wise, right? Stock
Yeah,
inventory.
really. So once you produce items, yeah, automatically once you enter production,
Yeah,
input items will deduct from stocks and finished good will add to the system. The
right,
quantity as well as value, both
right.
will deduct one item and add another item.
So we need to give the formulation how many for like kgs we are going to mix it from what items, and after that we have to enter
Exactly.
the goods which finished goods products, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Really, once you formulate, you have to enter only finished good items. Then system
Okay.
will, you are formulated, no, then
Yes, yes.
automatically input quantities will deduct from the stock,
Stocks. Okay, right. Okay.
raw material stocks, because already we formulated now.
Okay, right. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So other parts like customer credits and those things, this
Yes.
part is
So,
okay.
right. So we can go to master tables, and
Okay.
once you go to master table and go to the customer, then you can see the customer credit limit and credit rating.
Mm,
Both options available with this.
nothing is, we can't see the system.
Danushka?
Okay, I will share. Wait a second.
Okay.
Danushka,
Yes, sir.
what's happened?
So we can see now.
Yeah, give me a few minutes. So I just parked the vehicle
Okay.
and I'm going to office. Give me 1 second. So I'm so sorry about this
It's okay.
issues, right?
Okay.
ධනුෂ්ක මොකද උනේ මේ ඇයි ෂෙයාර් වෙන්න නතර උනේ? ධනුෂ්ක
දැන් ෂෙයාර් වෙනවා.
ධනුෂ්ක
Yes, sir.
ඔව් ඇයි මේ ෂෙයාර් වෙන්න නතර වෙලා?
Tardu. Sir, ලහිරුවය කලින් ෂෙයා කරේ පව කට්ටයක් එයාට ඒකයි මම දැන් ෂෙයා කරේ.
ඔය ධනුෂ්ක පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න මීටින් එකක් වුණාම ක්ලයන්ට් කෙනෙක් එක්ක මේක වැඩි පොඩ්ඩක් සැලකිලිමත්ව වැඩ කරන්නකෝ. මේ ඇයි මෙහෙම කරන්නේ? ඔයාලට මේ මීටින් එකක් arrange කරගන්නත් බැයිද ධනුෂ්ක?
ඒ වෙලෙම sharing එක අපව අපි start කරා.
Hello.
Okay, another.
Sorry, Mr. Rajan. So I took some time to back to office, right? Okay.
It's okay.
Rajan, I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, we just discussed about the customer credit limit.
Oh.
Right. So we can go to master tables. Then once you go to master table, you can see the customers. And once you create the customer,
Okay.
you can see customer master files here. You can click here. Then you can see the customer master. So once you create the customer,
Yes.
you can see additional informations here in 2 tabs in top. So once you click on additional information tab, you can see the customer credit limit on your right corner, credit limit and credit aging. These both options include with this system.
Okay, right. Okay.
Many system include with only credit limit, but this system we include with the credit limit as well as credit aging.
Aging. And what about the price level?
Yes, price level option also here. So we can go to activities, and once you go to activities, we can see the price level option.
Okay. So this is
we
the
can-
price level. Price levels mean we are fixing a price for the customer, or is it like what?
Yeah, we can create the price level first. Then that price level we can apply for the relevant customer.
Ah, right. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Then we can create the different price level for Colombo, for Southern, for
Okay.
upcountry, for Northeast. So the different areas, we can create the different price level, wholesale price, retail price, or different price levels we can create. Then after that, once we create the customer, we can assign which price level should apply for this customer, and we can link customer with price level.
All right. Okay. So like example, so like in my Colombo business, I have the Colombo business. So we are doing Colombo, Nigambu and Gold, the southern part. So like the prices varies for like we are doing the hotel sector.
Yes.
Each hall, like we have about 100 customers, but the prices different for 100 customers.
Yes.
So we can do it, we can assign those customers
Yes.
to in this part, right? Price level part.
Yes.
Okay. And after like we see due to the current situations, like weekly our prices are getting changed.
Yes.
So once we update that price, it automatically calculates the price for the customer, right?
Really, it will update with the price level. You have to only update the price level. Then once you invoice, you have to select the customer. No? Once you select the customer, system will automatically apply the related price level prices for
the
the
customer.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Perfect. ඒකත් එක්ක මට අර තව ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙන දැන් if a customer is giving a payment,
Yes.
the receiving method, some people will be giving cash or check.
Yeah. Okay. We can go to customer center and customer payments. Then once you go to new transactions and customer payment. So once you go to customer payment, new transaction, customer payment.
Okay.
Right. Then you can select the customer from which customer you are receiving cash. Then once you select the customer,
yes,
you have to select the information about the payment. So the where you deposit this and how much you receive, and payment method, check number, and many informations there. You can see many informations you can select. It's related to the particular sales rep. Is it post-dated checks, like that things?
Okay, and receipt number as well, no?
Yes. If you have manual receipt number, that also you can.
We can see. Right. Okay. So we can do it in this customer payment, no? Right.
Yes.
And another, okay, so this part is very clear. And after that, select, give me a sec. So like we are invoicing for like a customer name, customer A. So his due date is within 4 days.
Yes.
So if he didn't receive his payment, will the system allow to put the invoice or will it block?
It's a control. If you need standard system, there are no any control. But if you want to make control, control mean if it is if he has any invoice more than due date, if you want to block, we can apply control. Then once we apply the particular control, we can make control for invoicing particular customer. Then
so
if he has,
so you will be doing the option for us, that control option.
Yes, controls you have to tell us, then we will apply that control to system.
All right, okay, no. So we can, it's possible, right, to do it in this system?
Yes, it's possible.
Okay. Right. And so like see some so we have like so like customer A, he has 5 bills. Okay. So today he's going to set off like 2 lakhs is going to give cash. So he's going to set off the first bill, and the second bill, its value is 1 lakh. So he's going to give 50,000. So balance 50,000 will be showing for us in the bill.
Yes,
balance.
Definitely. So what else, Mr. Gachan, you?
Other part,
When your colleagues, your accountant or other.
yeah, that's why they are texting me. So, and they are asking how about the balance stock and how to create item and the balance stock.
Right. We can create the items. We can go to master tables. Once you go to master tables, you can see the all masters here. Then you can see the items. Then you have to click on create new, and you can see the window. On this window, you can click new items, create items.
Okay.
Then this is the form. You can create items. Then you can see inventory items. So you can fill necessary informations, and you can save item.
So we can upload the picture as well, no? Item image.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
And
Then you can see the inventory reports. You can go to reports.
Yes.
Inventory, and under inventory you can see many reports, stock valuation summary, detail. We can go to summary, inventory valuation summary, and see, but many reports are there to see the reports, details.
Okay. Okay. So it will be giving the current stock and the total value stock as well.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Can you go show me the P&L and the trial balance and aging report?
Yeah, we can see the P&L reports, company financial, profit and loss, standard account. So this is the general format of profit and loss account.
Okay.
So based on transactions we entered.
We can see it by month-wise as well, right?
Yes.
Okay. And the trial balance?
Reports, accountant and taxes, then you can see the trial balance.
Okay. Okay, this is the trial balance, right? Okay. Give me a sec, I'll ask them other doubts as well. So they're asking how to maintain the petty cash.
Right, you can maintain petty cash by banking center.
Okay.
Once you go to banking center, you can see the petty cash form. So you can see right top corner new transaction. You can click on new transaction, and you can see the petty cash option. You can click on petty cash.
Yeah.
Then you can enter all petty cash payments here. You can select the petty cash accounts, and automatically it will update with the petty cash number.
Okay.
And you can select the respective accounts here. The petty cash expense accounts and you can, yes.
Okay. And all right. And after that, another thing we have, like see, like monthly we'll be filling fuel from a fuel station, no?
Yes.
So we like for the month of May, it's like we have to pay them 1 million,
Okay.
but we will be paying them after 2 months. So how to do that journal?
Yeah, it's mean no need to put the journal, because once you purchase the 2 million, at that time you have to enter bills to the system. So
yes,
you can see the dues in the bill system. So you can go to vendor and new transactions and enter bills.
Okay. We have to enter
and enter bills.
Okay.
New transaction and enter bills.
Okay.
New transactions, enter bills. Right. Using these options, once you purchase fuel, you can select the supplier name on top. When under vendor name, you can select the supplier.
Okay.
Then you can select the items as account as a fuel. Then you can raise the fuel bills by using bill option. So 2 millions, up to 2 millions, you can enter bills. Then you can go to pay bills option and you can pay the selected bills. Then balance bills will be pending as outstanding bills.
So the paying bills were like, can you show me that as well? The paying bills,
Sure. We can go to vendor center, then new transactions and pay bills.
Okay.
So once you go to here, you can select the bill payments options. Now you can select the supplier name. Then once you select the supplier, in bottom you can see what are the outstanding bills, and you can select the particular bill, and you could, on top you can select from which bank you are paying, how much you are paying, and so information you can select, and you can make the payment.
Right. Okay. So we have to click what are the payments we want to do it, and we straight away we have to put the check number and everything.
Exactly.
Right. Okay. Okay. And okay. So this part is also very clear. And yesterday the person yesterday who told me that the approval thing. Can you tell me about the approval part, the purchase requisition?
Hello.
Oh, yes.
Right. So the approval. So once you enter transactions, you can approve the particular transaction. So assume you enter bills. So you can go to approvals and you can click on bills. Once you click on bill option, so unapproved bills you can see here. Then you can select the particular bill by apply on tick here. Then you can approve.
Okay. So if after approved only the payments will be realized in the system.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So and I think you didn't show me the customer aging report.
Yeah, reports, customer and receivable, agent summary and details, both reports there. We can see the customer balance agent reports. Then under agent reports, you can see.
All right. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Right. Perfect. Okay. It's like there is option without PD checks and with PD checks, no?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And after that, how about the bank reconciliation part?
Yeah, you can go to activities, and under activities, you can see the bank reconciliation. So once you go to bank reconciliations, you can select the bank, which bank you want to reconcile. Then once you receive the bank statement, you can select the bank statement ending date.
Okay.
And you can enter ending balance. Then you can click submit. Once you click on submit, you can see all deposits which we have done to our account and payments we have done from our account, right? Then you can see the bank statement and you can apply tick for the entered transactions in bank statement, clear transactions. You can apply tick for both. Then
so you will be, okay. So separate for checks payments and deposit payments, no?
Exactly.
Both.
So two tabs here.
Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Right. This is also okay. And other thing, I want to get the how about the sales return and the purchase return?
Yes, for the sales returns, you can go to customer center. Then you can see once you click on new transactions, you can see the sales return now.
Okay.
Sales return form. Then you can go to sales return forms and you can enter sales return using from which customer, and many informations here same like invoice, because it's come from the sales now.
Yes,
This
yes.
sales return form. Then you can go to vendor center and you can click on new transaction and you can enter purchase return.
Okay. And so purchase return and sales return is done in this vendor center.
Yes, vendor center and customer center.
Okay.
Vendor center, supply return, customer center, sales return.
And we have to put the GRN as well, no?
Yes, GRN also available.
All right. Okay. And how about some like some damage parts? How can we do that? Damage
If
inventory.
there's any damage item, we can go to inventory center and we can see what are the damage items, and we can enter issue note. You can go to new transactions and there is a issue note. Using issue note, you can issue the damage item.
Damage, it's automatically deducts from the stocks.
Exactly.
Okay. And in this we have the modify or delete options we have in this set.
Yes, this system include with that facility under admin supervision. So admin can select to whom give you permission to add, edit, delete transactions.
Okay. So, all right. Right.
Based on admin preference.
Okay. If the staffs need to do any modification or delete or anything, they have to get the approval from the admin supervisor.
Yes.
Okay. So I think everything is perfect. So I'll have a chat with my staff and I'll get back to you soon by today evening.
Sure.
Because
So
it's I think this month is June, so we need to entry from April. We have to enter the details from April to this month, no?
Yes.
So somehow we have to. I'll have a chat with my staffs and I'll give you a call back.
Sure. So can I have small details at this moment, only a few informations?
Yes.
How many legal entities do you have?
Legal entity means the username, users.
No, companies. Legal entity means private.
Companies. I have 4 companies. 3 is mine and 1 is my father's.
Right.
So we are having the branches in Colombo, Anuradhapura, Vavuniya, Jaffna.
Colombo, Anuradhapura, Vavuniya, Jaffna, 4 branches.
4 branches.
Yeah. How many staff approximately each branch?
We have Colombo. We have 3. Anuradhapura we have 2. Vavuniya 3, and Jaffna we have about 5.
Right. Okay. So that's all. So approximately the one more thing. So per month transaction for each companies, how many transactions? It's not a volume. Volume mean value. I just asked the number of transactions. It's mean the number of invoices for the company this much, B company this much, like that. The invoice, receipts, bills, payments, like that.
One of my let's have a look about Umar distributors. So we have in Colombo and Jaffna.
Yeah.
So per day we'll be having about 100 invoices.
100 invoices per day.
Per day. And other branches is also same.
Okay.
And factory, everything is the same.
It's so been all 4 companies approximately 100 invoices.
No. It will be about, I think, 250 for the 4 companies.
Altogether 250 or?
Altogether 250.
Altogether
per day.
250 per day invoices.
Oh.
Okay.
So because recently we were using Mark. So that's the problem. And like Mark, it's not like a cloud-based one, no? So that's why we're planning to change to the.
Right. Mug is a desktop version.
Desktop version, yeah, that's the problem we are having. So sometimes in like Corona times also, like we can do the work from home, no?
Yes.
So that's why. And it's because I recently I have moved to Australia, so it's really difficult to access the system.
Right, no problem. This system you can access from anywhere.
And tomorrow I will give the brief details how many users for each companies we need, Kayla.
Yeah. Yes, really, that's important for us.
Yeah. And so like I will be the director and the main, so you were saying the admin supervisor, I will give one person. So I'll draw a diagram and I'll send you how many users and all the details I'll give you.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anything else?
No, that's all. We are perfect with that explanation. Thank you so much.
Okay, welcome. And it's again, thanks to all of you to give us opportunity to demonstrate our products to all of you.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Mr. Samantha.
Okay,
Thank
have
you.
a nice day.
Yeah, you too. Have-